I'm ready.
Reloading.
Alright, so it looks like we're going to do a maintenance one. This is a maintenance video.
Maintenance video.
Yeah. It may be a little
the
bit
ramrod through the back. Come on.
Oh.
No. Come on, you. Oh, just lost a toothpick.
It ate the toothpick.
Come on. Come out. Oh, yeah, that's a nasty hot mess.
Fun. You need pliers?
Yeah, I have them right here.
Oh, well, looks like we're going to have to rebuild that shell.
Something. Clean this out.
This is when the tweezers that we lost would have come in handy.
It's all your fault.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, it is your fault.
I blame we.
I blame you.
I blame us.
Us is not a thing.
Us is... okay.
Individually pulling out the small fire. Shrapnel.
We should actually make a proper shotgun one next. Make a wax wad at the back
Oh,
of it.
yeah, there we go, baby. Got it out.
Make a wax wad at the back, and then...
Look, it's okay. I mean, the shotgun round is just literally a ball full of shells and wax.
That's all it is. Alright, so we want to fire this?
Yeah, we will in a second.
Alright.
Gotta...
Reform it. This is the bad part about the cannon. It tends to get pretty hot, and a lot of times it'll melt the wax. Because we use wax casing.
Not just any wax casing.
Baby Bell wax casing.
So we get a delicious snack.
And then we get to shoot a cannon. Not sponsored by. Just not sponsored.
Definitely not sponsored by.
Not sponsored by Baby Bell.
Baby Bell, baby got back.
I like big butts and I cannot mind.
Come on, you. We're experiencing some technical difficulties here. Go through the hole.
Yep.
Was this live?
No, it's just a video.
Okay, well, when you edit your video, edit all this crap out.
No, I'm gonna keep it in.
Well, no, because it'll be too long, and people don't want to see super long videos. Retardation! I got it through.
Yay!
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 That's too thick.
It's thick with 2 C's. It should be 1 C.
Thick with 2 C's.
It's too many C's.
Like
You never have too many C's.
I did not just say that.
What?
Nothing.
I didn't hear you.
Good. Just wait till you edit this video.
I usually don't edit my videos.
It's a wild joke. Alright, we're gonna aim.
It's fine.
That's good enough. Alright.
So
The fun
basic.
part.
Yeah.
Firing in 3, 2, 1.
Ah, burn his hand.
Clear. Look
Aw,
at that.
weak. That didn't sound like it had as much power as the first time.
No, it didn't. But that is waxy, milky. Alright. Ramrod back. Check the shell. Let's make a new one.
Alright. And thus ends the video.